Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to buy coins on Jupiter Exchange. If you're new to the world of decentralized finance or just curious about Jupiter, a popular exchange on the Solana blockchain, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the process quickly and easily, so you can start trading in minutes. First things first, let's get you set up. Head over to the Jupiter Exchange website or app. It's user-friendly and optimized for speed. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide an email, create a password, and verify your identity. Don't worry, this is standard for security reasons and usually takes just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, the next step is to fund your wallet. Jupiter supports various wallets like Phantom or Solflare, so connect yours securely. Now, deposit some SOL or another supported cryptocurrency into your account. If you're starting from fiat currency, you might need to buy SOL first through another exchange and transfer it over. Think of it as filling up your crypto tank. Alright, now for the fun part, buying coins. Navigate to the Swap or Trade section. Here, you can search for the coin you want, like USDC or any other token available on Jupiter. Enter the amount you wish to buy, and double-check the exchange rate to ensure you're getting a good deal. Jupiter is known for its low fees and fast transactions, so that's a win. Before you confirm, take a quick look at any potential slippage or gas fees. These are the small costs that come with blockchain transactions. Once you're satisfied, hit that Swap button and watch the magic happen. Your coins should appear in your wallet almost instantly. Finally, always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for larger amounts, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. That's it for today's tutorial. Buying coins on Jupiter Exchange is straightforward once you know the steps. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.